That's one way, mother.
Man, shut up.
Oh. Oh, one way. Oh, he got the. Oh man. Yeah.
Driving along, enjoying my day, when I noticed a black Opel Corsa driving very close behind me. This carried on for quite a while. Noticed my eyes flicking back there as the driver seemed quite animated in their car. I then stopped at the traffic lights and built my speed up until this zone. This zone, maybe unknown to the couple behind me, is actually a box area of 50 kilometers an hour. Then after this, it becomes a 70 road. I had to find this out the hard way and got a few speeding tickets here, myself building to 70 too fast. Oh, and notice how this light just changed, which means they drove through a red light. So my eyes are rapidly kind of flicking down to my speedo here, making sure I'm doing 50, no tickets for me. Cruising next to a car who is also doing 50 clearly knows the rules as well. When the aggressive car behind me beeps at me, presumably because she thought I was going too slow, I put my hand up like, what do you want from me? This is the speed limit. I then built to 70 and held 70 because that's the speed limit until I noticed how aggressive and close the Corsa was behind me, trying to push me out of the way. It's then I decided I want nothing to do with these people and speed up in order to change lane and get out of there. As they're going past, they move into my lane, slow down and brake in order to block me. Then the male passenger tries to get out of the car, presumably to fight me. I'm not about stopping in the middle of the road and fighting people. That's probably something someone on crack would do, so I get myself up on out of there. I roll my window down at this point because I know they're going to pull alongside me.
It's 50! It's 50 there!
They then start shouting at me, to which I try to explain the error of their ways to them. After what seems like an eternity of shouting, "It's 50!" the girl realizes I'm English, so tries another tactic. I'm a little bewildered at how this just became a playground insulting match, but hey, I turn off into a different lane, and thankfully they leave. If anyone knows either of these two delightful individuals, please let them know I probably saved them from a speeding ticket.
Era otro.
Take exit 37,
Ya, chico,
then merge
no,
onto
no.
South East Freeway.
Ese es es HNS 3595
No, mire, no,
KD 9179. ¿Qué vas a hacer?
Policía.
Me pasa por pendejo, pues si ve que yo me voy a meter y él viene volando para que yo no me meta.
No le toque, baby.
Pendejo que...
That we were saying a little while back. So it's gonna get hot in here. Like, get ready. Now's the time to go grab the fans and the air conditioning units that you waited to refill, because it's coming back here, gang. Right, and that's about right. Usually we get a couple weeks of the 90s.
Yeah.
It fits.
That made me so